Open letter to the people of Zimbabwe, all military generals, all veterans and opposition leaders, from Comrade Gageni Ajanga, Liberation War hero in exile, dated 4 August 2026. Sarabina Mashkambuda Yukara Pankoin and boy subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Anubdanya Chiti. Good afternoon, fellow Zimbabweans. I come to you at this most critical and dangerous moment, hearing a disheartening but fully verified information. ZANU-PF, an active advanced plot to assassinate Vice President Chiwenga serving and retired military generals or veterans and opposition leaders, all those seen as obstacles to forcing through Cap 3. I am putting this statement into the public domain now so it stands as permanent witness in the days and weeks ahead. I implore every single one of you, do not take this letter, do not take this matter for granted. This is a matter of life and death. I have it on good authority that this operation is led by Owen Muda and they hold a detailed assassination menu listing multiple planned methods. First, bribe VP Chiwenga's own bodyguards and aides to poison him in secret. Second, bribe his bodyguards to place a toxic substance in his room while he sleeps. When he breathes it in, he will pass away in his sleep, and they will claim it was a heart attack or natural causes. Third, organize a deliberately faulty aircraft, arrange official travel around the country to avoid suspicions, and stage a plane crash. Trusted associates, including two Michael Christopher Mchangwa and Monica Mchangwa, were marked to be sacrificed in this same incident to make it appear authentic. Operation Restore Legacy to remove dictatorship is now himself marked for elimination. Many of his loyal comrades have already been killed and lie at the National Heroes Acre. Those who remain are being bribed to turn against him. But those taking these offers do not know the true nature of M. Mason. His rule is built on the rule and kill, use and down. He used VP Chiwenga 2017 for his own rise, and now that he has no further use for him, he wants him dead. Toma developments are kuda pangoera nyogona comrade Ajanga pamusoro pezviitika the ruling party ZANU-PF. Mbudze mafunuro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.